Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I am all ready for bed. This is not my bathroom, although I wish it was because this lighting, I'll show you, this mirror is amazing. Like, how great is this mirror with the makeup lighting? It's the best. So tonight I am going to be sharing with you my nighttime skincare routine. So I just start out by obviously changing out of my regular clothes, and I take off all my jewelry every night, but I take it off right before I wash my face. I will give you a little overview of my skincare products. So it's very purple. I like to take off my makeup with these two Clinique products. I use a very heavy waterproof eyeliner, and these are the only two combo that gets it off. Then I have my Rodan and Field's Unblemish skincare routine. So step 1, 2, 3, and then finish with the Active Hydration serum, which I absolutely love. This is exfoliating, this is a toner, and this is like a moisturizer and acne treatment. So those are the products that I'm going to use. I'm going to throw my hair up and also take out my earrings. And also these lashes. I know you're not supposed to do this, but it just feels so good. Ow. That is so bad. Oh, these are really glued on. So, to start, I'm gonna be taking the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. It's got a face cloth ready, and I'm just gonna take a good amount because I've got a lot of makeup on today, and start working that in. You look absolutely crazy doing this. And then I'm going to rinse this off. Now, after that initial rinse, I know I look crazy, but I don't like to take my eye makeup remover or my eye makeup off until I wash my face again with the Rodan and Field Unblemished Gentle Exfoliating Acne Wash. And then after I work that in and rinse my face off, then I will go in and wipe my eyes. So I'm gonna take about that much and just work this all over. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with a cotton square. These ones are from Ulta. I really like these. They're very like pillowy, and I take the Clinique Take the Day Off eye makeup remover. Well, it's a makeup remover. Oops. And I just take that much and get all the remaining mascara and eyeliner. Still a lot that comes off. And like this, still, like, you still have to take that extra step. Okay, so now that that is finished, I will take another cotton pad and I will take the clarifying toner and put that on here. Douse that and then bring that all around. And that's what I like to see. Barely any makeup left. It really, all of that gets it all off. Next, I go in with this, with step 3, which is the Dual Intensive Acne Treatment. And I take a pump. It comes out like 2 different sides. Mix that together, and then I put that on my problem areas. So really up here and here. My forehead is okay. Now while that is like drying, I brush my teeth. And the last step, I don't have eye cream with me. Usually I have my Drunk Elephant eye cream, but I don't have that. My last step, which is my newest step that I absolutely love, is this Active Hydration Serum by Rodan and Fields. And this really is like so hydrating. And I just noticed my skin not dry at all. And I don't know, it just looks better. Makeup applies better. So it comes with this dropper. So you just kind of fill it up. And then you're gonna take it on your hands, like so. And then I just like to do this and then go in all around. And my skin feels so good. Upward motions, upward motions. And I'm gonna take a little bit more because I don't have eye serum, just not into the eye, but just like close, and then down my neck. Up my neck, up my neck. And that is my skincare routine. That is how I get unready every night. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will link all of the products I mentioned down below, so feel free to check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another Vlogmas video. Good night.